yung parking nila. Nandito na kami ngayon at ang aming vlogger natutulog na.
Ito na lang yung isang vlog video. May isang video si vlog.
Gisingin mo si Kuya.
Gising mo si Kuya. Hello, Kuya. Oh, good morning, vlogger.
Hi guys!
Are you ready?
Yes. Is this what I've been?
No. It's our first time here.
Pinapasok. Ito yung entrance from the parking. Ito yung reception area nila. Nantayin natin yung ano, di ba?
Wow, that's kind of cool base here.
Ayun sa reception. Ito yung mga elevator nila. Anong floor kaya tayo? Anong floor ba tayo?
Ngayon, nasa 4th floor tayo.
Ay, ano to?
Welcome, Junes.
Thank you.
Kuha na lang po ako.
First time natin.
Is this shrimp?
Oh.
Kaya lang maulan. Parang sana yung ano, sa swimming pool, open naman tayo.
Yes po. Ay, ma'am, this one po design lang po siya, ma'am. Let's see. Sa pool po natin is located po sa penthouse, ma'am. Until 10 p.m. naman po.
Until 10 p.m. Hindi na pala kailangan na inform, pwede na direct.
Yes, ma'am. All in-house guests mas welcome po sa penthouse.
Hanggang 10. And sa morning, anong oras?
7 a.m.
7 a.m.
Provided na rin po, ma'am, sa pool area yung towels natin.
Ah, okay. Nagdadala na lang kami ng towel.
Pwede magdala ng food, ma'am, sa...
Ah, okay.
Oh, thank you so much po.
Meron bang ano dun sa swimming? May attire? May attire.
Attire?
Pwede po.
Ah,
If ever gusto nyo naman mag,
Normal
swimming
na.
natin, pwede.
Pwede rin hindi. Yung mga restaurant dito, saan kami pwedeng bumili ng
For a la carte meals, ma'am, sa penthouse po tayo. Kung saan po located din yung pool natin. Buffet po natin ng ground floor. Sige po.
ground floor pa?
Si buffet.
Anong oras yun?
Every month breakfast tayo, 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. po, ma'am.
6 a.m. to 10 a.m. Buffet breakfast yun, no?
Yes.
Sa age niya, kasi check pa natin dun sa ano. Hindi ko alam kung...
Ilang taon na po ba siya?
8 years old.
Half the price po, ma'am, ng adult, 340 pesos.
Sige, pa-add na lang ako kasi alam ko dalawa lang yung included
Ma'am,
dun sa
for that po, isasettle na lang po natin yung payment niya, ma'am, sa buffet
ground
area.
floor. Okay, pero ano na update na dito or what?
No need to update naman, ma'am. Inform na lang po natin sa buffet, ma'am. Sa
Okay.
receptionist
Ah,
po ng
okay,
buffet.
okay.
Thank you. Wala naman limit yung buffet kung pumunta kami ng 6 a.m. hanggang 10 a.m.
Sige po.
Kung kaya... So, 923 yan type, no? Ninth floor. 901. Ang cute naman ang numbering nila dito.
Yo, I like how they place the number.
Dito.
Oh no! Taking number around.
923. Okay.
Wala ba? Oh.
Yan. Okay.
Oh, good heaven!
Thank you.
There goes those! Oh my goodness! Is that a ghost moving?
Okay.
That scared me.
No, that's automatic. It opens.
Oh, I thought I was sorry. Surprise!
This is our bed. Which one will be your bed? So we have two
Where's your
double
bed?
bedroom. Maybe here. Me and Theo will sleep here. You and Papa will sleep there. There's an iPad, look. Room light 2. Oh, pinaglaruan nila. But I like the romantic mode. Me
too.
Yun, pakita ko tayo.
Dapat kasi pinatay mo muna yung masters, tas para mas makikita natin yung...
Asan yung masters? Nakapatay naman talaga. Pag may light siya, nakapatay. Sleep mode. Oh, look. Okay, Ella, hindi ko na makita. Okay. Let's turn on the romantic mode. Here.
1, 2, 3.
Ah, ganda.
Hey!
Ayun.
Okay, let's check the balcony. Let's go there. Come on. I just want a chair.
There's a pool!
Swimming pool. Sasalita din siya. What do you want to say? What do you want to say? You want to say something? No, it's good here. I like it here. I want to go swimming.
I like it here.
Oh, Manila.
Favorite.
Manila. Ayun yun. Hindi ko ito nakita.
Saan?
Ito, makita mo ba ito? Nakaibang ano yan, ibang branch, no?
Ayun, mayroon din spa.
Tapos ito yung spa, nasabi nila, kaso may charge.
What's that smell?
Gusto ko rin i-check yung gym.
I wish they have chicken nuggets.
1, 2.
Wait lang, wala ka naman.
Kahilo yung isa.
Sino?
Dito, mababawasan dyan.
Talaga si Freya. Ito gusto.
I cannot see where I'm going.
How was the swimming pool, Jared?
Good. I only after all of the swimming pool. After the time's done, I finally do like that.
Okay. Open. Why did you turn off the lights? Oh, nice. How's your sleep, Jared? How's your sleep?
Oh, good.
Are you excited to go swimming again?
Yeah.
For how many hours? We'll eat first, okay? Then we'll go swimming.
Yeah.
Okay. Move. Let's go.
Bayside.
Lunch. Kasama yung lunch. Birthday ko. Please choose your breakfast time. Ah, okay. So, 1 hour lang. Per hour. So, what time is it?
Kada session.
1 hour lang pala. So, ano oras na? Scrambled egg. I want scrambled egg. And pancake sa'yo, Jared.
Yeah.
Okay.
I like scrambled egg.
Be careful ha. We have to bring it one by one there sa table.
What?
You want ano? Ikaw kahit mamaya ka nakukuha.
Jared,
Hold that top properly ha. Baka malaglag.
ano mo hawak?
Where do we go?
Kumuha tayo ng... Dalawa sa table.
Ano?
Dito. Pasay ka.
Bacon is available upon request. May bacon? Ay, thank you. Oh, diba? Good for one meal. Ayoko niyan to. Ito, scrambled dito. Si Jared siguro. Ay, may pancit. I want rice.
Ah, garlic.
Oh my God, ito na.
Garlic rice.
Garlic rice. Kailangan maganito siya para. Ako gusto ko ng garlic rice and gutom talaga ako. Meron. And pancit. I want pancit. Nak, this is your favorite. Look. Chow mein noodles ang tawag nila. So, Chinese.
I wish I was like 2 pancakes.
You want 2 pancakes? Okay, we'll get another one. Ikaw, ano gusto mo? Pandesal. Ito pala yung butter. Para dun sa pancake niya na lang. Pwede din sa pandesal. Ang galante nila sa Ubel.
Ube lo.
And I'll get
Yun yung
pandesal.
pandesal.
Ube? What's that?
Hindi maubos yun ha.
You guys see?
Banana.
I think I'll be creating Rainbow Friends. It's coming soon. It's upload. Bye-bye.
Salad station.
I like cereals.
Water and
I want cereals. I've never tried it before.
Yan cereal. Ayan o.
Fruit Loop.
Oh.
No, I never tried it in the US. USA. I'm going to USA. I wish I would try that. I want to try which one? Fruit Loop.
If you try it, you have to finish it. Kasi pag hindi mo na finish, we have to pay for it. We'll get one. This
Guys, so Fruit Loops at the United States are cereals, right? We don't want.
Ito? Kasaba cake?
Yo, I like how they add
Yan eh. Oh, buha ka isa. Yan. Pala bibig to oh.
ng tinapay.
Pwede mong inidin yung gusto mo, no?
Pwede ba? Gusto ko i-try.
Half roll,
Yun na lang. Okay na kasi magkakanin pa ako.
I mean,
naka-automatic ano na.
Wala. Okay na ba yun? At lumalakad siya. Ay, ikot-ikot ko.
Mahuhulog yan. Makukuta yan dito.
Yun ba yan?
Pagluto na siya, pumunta dyan.
Hindi ko alam. Napaka-ignorante natin today.
Okay, put
For
it
today's
here.
video. Wait natin, malaglag. Ay, luto na to. Okay na yun. Sunog na. Oh, sunog na.
Bibilis mo sunog.
Oh no.
Sunog tuloy. Okay, sige na. Ikaw ang kumuha. Sabi niyo mo siya kumuha. Okay.
There's milk?
Paano ba i-assemble siya?
Put it there, here. And then you have to turn this. Konti lang ha. Sige, go. Oh, tama na. That's enough. That's enough.
Okay,
Then get that fresh milk. There.
fresh milk.
Yung kaya mo lang ubusin ha. Go.
I'll put it on the Fruit Loop because they also put
That's
they also put milk with Fruit Loop.
Let's go back. Wala pa tayong water. Iwan mo lang.
Wait, what? Oh my.
Parang na lang. Gym at your own risk.
So walang assistant.
Walang ano dito. Wala lang.
Sige nga, mag-treadmill ka nga.
Chinelos na ako.
Ay, okay. Hindi pa pwede yun.
So,
Yay! Nakapang swimming attire na po kami.
I warm up eh.
Ay, marami niya sa mga gym.
Good.
Oh my goodness! Oh!
Hi! Ay, pong towel.
Okay guys,
923 po.
POV.
Tay, towel ko naman towel.
Ay, wait.
Can you take this off?
Later, hanap muna tayo ng chair natin.
Dun.